Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to upload a story on Instagram from PC and laptop. If you want to upload an Instagram story directly from your PC or laptop, you won't see the option right away because Instagram's desktop version doesn't fully support story uploads. But there's a simple trick using your browser's developer tools that lets you switch to mobile view and upload stories just like you would on a phone. First, open Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. Then, search for Instagram and click on the official link. Make sure you are logged in with your Instagram account. Now, click on the three dots at the top right corner of Chrome. Here, go to More Tools and then click on Developer Tools. On the right side of the screen, you will see a panel. At the top, click on the small mobile device icon. This switches the browser view to mobile mode. Then, click on Dimensions and select any phone model from the list, like iPhone or Galaxy, as you like. After that, refresh the page. Now you will see Instagram just like it appears on a mobile phone. Click on your story at the top left. Then, select a photo or video from your computer and click on Open. Now, click on Add to your story. You can also add text, stickers, or effects before posting, just like you do on mobile. Once done, your story will be uploaded directly from your PC or laptop. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.